Today we have Christian Bayona and we're going to be talking about property. He's working, mentorships, and a lot of other expertise. What inspired you to enter to the field?
I love to help people build wealth through scaling and understanding how they can make that using different tools that I have available. All the people that are billionaires and millionaires, they all own assets, and mainly it's buildings or properties or anything, or land. Which is something very close to my heart right now because I'm very invested in land acquisition at the moment in different areas.
Could you discuss the key issue in your industry?
It's focused mainly on bringing the less positive side of the property industry and investment in wealth, where you can actually start by educating people on the things what not to do or what to look out for and how to get ready in advance for those times where things I might get wrong. We just kind of turn it on its head and say, look, let us show you all the things that might go in a different direction, how to get ready, how to create that contingency plan, and how to make sure that if anything goes wrong, you have those exit strategies which allow you to shift. So again, we're going about the value rather than making money. I would say one of the things that I've learned from my own experience, listen to your gut.
When you are with a good circle, good people, they will encourage you to do a lot of different things. Who are the clients you aim to help?
I just focus a lot on that because I have a passion for properties. I like to develop, I like to invest, I like to change and bring out best out of that property because I'm a visionary. So we can understand all these reasons to make sure that when we provide the service, the benefits, it's very tailored to that person, very personal to the person, if that makes sense.
What makes your approach unique in helping clients?
The reason people are looking to make that change, because you said you want something, it doesn't mean that that's what you need. Everybody wants something, but what do you need more is more important.
Mm-hmm.
We're looking at the personal and the professional. And sometimes we have clients, they pivot from one professional side to the other one. We have people that move totally in property from different aspects, including police. They just left the police work and slowly moved into the property side because they give him the freedom, they give him the flexibility, they give him the thrill of doing what they do for themselves.